The time taken to travel a distance of 120 kilometers was reduced by 30 minutes when the speed was increased by 20 kilometers per hour. Calculate the initial speed.
Please kindly like, share, comment, and follow for us to build the mathematics community. And let's see how we do this in a very simple way. We know that speed equals distance over time taken. Now, for the initial time, we have speed equals 120 divided by t. Okay. If the time is 30 minutes, then it is equal to half an hour or 0.5 hour. That is very simple as that. Remember, the speed is in kilometer per hour, so that's why we've changed the minutes to hours. Now, if the time is reduced by half of an hour, then we have t minus 0.5 hours. And if this happens, the speed increases 20 kilometers per hour. So it means that we have s plus 20, and that gives s plus 20 kilometers per hour. So we are going to have s plus 20 equals 120 divided by t minus 0.5 as equation 2. Now, we substitute equation 1 into equation 2 to get 120 divided by t plus 20 equals 120 divided by t minus 0.5. Now, if we divide through by 20, we are going to have 6 divided by t plus 1 equals 6 divided by t minus 0.5. Now, we simplify this. T times 1 is t, so we have 6 plus t divided by t equals 6 divided by t minus 0.5. We do cross multiplication here to get 6 plus t times t minus 0.5 equals 6 times t, that is 6t. If we expand this, we have 6t, 6 times 0.5 gives 3. So we have negative 3. Then here t times t gives t squared. And t times 0.5 gives 0.5t equals 6t. So here, positive 6t will cancel positive 6t at the other side of the equation. Now we rearrange this to get t squared minus 0.5 is the same as half. So that 0.5 is half minus 3 equals 0. So we multiply through by 2 to get 2t squared minus t minus 6 equals 0. And this is a quadratic equation. So we just simplify this to get 2t squared minus 4t plus 3t minus 6 equals 0. And this gives 2t into t minus 2 plus 3 into t minus 2 equals 0. This gives 2t plus 3 times t minus 2 equals 0. Now, this simplifies to t equals 2 or t equals negative 3 on 2. But t is positive, it's greater than 0. So we take t equal to 2. That's very simple as that. So the initial speed is just 120 and replace this t by 2. So we get 60 kilometers per hour. That's very simple. Please kindly like, share, follow, and comment.